Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can customize watermark in your Xiaomi 13 Pro. So to start, open the camera app, then go to the three-line button and choose settings. Now just tap on the watermark, and you can see that you have a few options to edit. You can enable a device watermark and add your custom text here. You can enable a Leica watermark with coordinates. To do it, you have to enable a localization and you can also add a time. You can decide that you want to get a laser watermark or the default Xiaomi one. I will pick the Xiaomi, and now just go back to the camera, take your photo, and the customized watermark should appear in the corner like this one, and this is the default one. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.